Hello everyone, this is the next video and this video is executing and it is relating to the previous video. Okay, in Python, what are the execution modes are there? There are two types of execution modes in Python. First one is interactive mode and another one that is called the script mode. Yesterday in last video I have shown you how the interactive mode works. And today we'll show how the script mode works and what are the works of interactive mode and what are the works of the script mode. In practical, I'll show today. Okay. In interactive mode, we can simply type a Python statement on the prompt directly, and as soon as we press the enter, the interpreter executes the statement and displays the result or results. In script mode, we can write Python program in a file, save it, and then use the interpreter to execute the file. In Python scripts, always save as a file where file name has extension as .py. Your file name .py, the extension. By default, the Python scripts are saved in the Python installation folder, where the Python has installed by default the files storing that particular folder. Like this last video I have shown, the Python version was Python 3.9. So the default folder will be Python 3.9 in the installation folder, or in the by default it is storing the operating system. To execute a script, click on Run module from the Run menu. Let's start. I'll do the thing. Now I'm opening the Python. Python IDL is here. In this Python IDLE, so what I will do, I'll write some program and how it is executing. So I'll show you. Right. Now we are getting the prompt here, and after the prompt, what are the things I'll write? So it will show the thing. Like suppose I'll write the copyright, credit, license, all these things, the information I will get. Okay, LICENSE, license. So we'll get all the license information over here. Okay, hit return for more, or Q for quit. As you want to quit here, I'm pressing Q. Now it is quit, and we are returning to the prompt. Okay, now the thing is, suppose I would like to add few things like 40 plus 9. I'm adding, I'm getting the result. Suppose what I'll do, I'll write here computer plus book. Okay, now we'll get the result computer book. It is a single word, not the two words. How will get two words? So in the same way, so either I use one space after the computer or before the book, and I'm pressing enter, then both the strings are connected. So the space is here as a string as it was in the first string. Like, let's see, suppose I would like to create something. The statement as per the as soon as we press the enter key, so we are getting the result. Now this thing is clear. So how will go to the script mode? For that I have already told. Click on the file menu, click on the new file. Now new file is open, and this file, it is for the script mode. Okay, in this script mode I can write my whole program over here, and there is no need to click one by one to run it. After doing it, so what I'll do, so we can write the Python program in a file, save it, and then use the interpreter to execute it. Now I'm writing the Python program over here. Suppose I am using the print statement. Hello students. Suppose I'll not write anything. Suppose I need a blank line. So I can write here only blank print. Okay, so before the Students, suppose I need to write that there should be some star, okay, in the double quote or single quote you can put the star. For the decoration purpose I am using here one blank line is here. Now I am using here study well for success in life. Okay, after that I can use another print statement. In this print statement I can use a hyphen symbol for the decoration purpose. Then I am writing here thank you and have a nice day, right? So in this I am writing the file name one by one. I am writing the statement one by one, but I am not saying it is not, we are not getting the result. Okay, we have to save the file. Before that I am just going to show you Python scripts are saved as a file where the file name is extension of .py. Okay, and by default the Python scripts are saved in the Python installation folder. Okay, let's see, go to the file, click on the save, or you can click the save as. By default Python execution folder is here like C drive, local data, then local programs. Okay, let me copy the thing, or from the starting I am showing. Now see, C users in my app data local, then after the local, then programs, in the program folder Python 3.9 folder is there, Python folder, then Python 3.9 folder. In that folder I am going to save the file. First file, by default the file extension will be .py. I am saving this file. Now the file is saved. Now we can see the full path of the file, include the file name. Now at the top of the window, the title bar, first file.py, it is name of the file, and after the hyphen the full path is showing, including the version number of the Python, right? How I will execute this file? Going to run and click on the run module. Now it is running. So for the decoration purpose I have used a star mark, it is showing over here. Then hello students, it was my second statement. One blank line, for this purpose print, I'm getting one blank line. Then the next line was, or the next statement was study well for the success in life. Now it is showing over here. After that we put one hyphen, then we have used thank you and have a nice day. Now it is working properly. But if you see in the script mode, what is happening? It is happening that statement by statement, suppose I am right here, print after pressing the enter, just I am getting the result. It is not there at the time of running. I am getting the whole result. For that purpose only we are using the script mode. Okay, I think you understand. Thank you and have a nice day. But before I like to say thank you, I like to show you the thing like Python programming for beginners, and I'm requesting all of you, please subscribe the channel and like the videos. Regularly, in regular basis, you will get videos, and every day on a regular basis you can practice at your home without any help, of any of the teacher. If you have any query, you can write your comments in the comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.